Exercise 6.3, fourth main, first one, A. Simplify 3x into bracket 4x minus 5 plus 3 and find the value for first x is equal to 3, second x is equal to 1 by 2. Now first we have to simplify this expression, that is 3x into bracket 4x minus 5 plus 3 means this 3x we have to multiply to this whole bracket. Therefore, 3x into 4x. Now this minus sign. Now next 3x into 5. 3x into 5. Now this plus 3 as it is we have to write. Therefore, now multiply 3 into 4. 3 4s are 12. X into x. X square. This minus sign. 3 5s are 15. X as it is plus 3. Here we got the expression. What is the expression? 12x square minus 15x plus 3. Now first one, what is that? First one, if x is equal to, first one, x is equal to 3. Now we have to substitute x is equal to 3 in this equation. Therefore, 12 into bracket 3 square minus 15 into 3 plus 3. 12, 3 raised to square. 3 square means 12. 3 square is 9 minus 15 3s are 45 plus 3. Therefore, 12 9s are 108 means 108. Now 45 minus 3. So plus minus minus. But greater number is negative. Therefore minus 45 minus 3, 42. Therefore, now 108 minus 42, it is 66. The answer is 66. Now second one, what is the second one question? If x is equal to 1 by 2 means we have to substitute this value in this equation. Expression it is. Therefore, x is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, 12 1 by 2 square minus 15, x means 1 by 2 plus 3. Therefore, 12, 1 square is 1, but 2 square is 4, minus 15 into 1 by 2 plus 3. Next, we have to see that cancellation. Yes, 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Therefore, 3 minus, now 15 1s are 15. 15 by 2 plus 3. Now here you cannot perform addition or subtraction because the denominators are not like. So what we have to do? We have to find here LCM. Then we'll get the LCM is here 2. Yes, if there is no number to the denominator means always we have to consider it as 1. Now we have to multiply numerator and denominator with the 2. Means here by 2, here by 2. Similarly, here by 2, here 2. Here no need to multiply any number because already to the denominator 2 is available. Therefore, 3 2s are 6, 2 1s are 2 minus 15 by 2 plus 3 2s are 6, 2 1s are 2. Therefore, 2 to the denominator, 6 minus 15 plus 6 is equal to, now add this 6 plus 6, it is 12 minus 15 divided by 2, plus minus always minus, but greater number sign we have to write. So greater number is negative, therefore minus 3 by 2. 15 minus 12, 3, plus minus minus, greater number is negative, therefore minus 3 by 2. Fourth one, B. Simplify a into bracket a square plus a plus 1 bracket close plus 5 and find the value. First is what? If a is equal to 0, second a is equal to 1, third a is equal to minus 1. First we'll simplify this expression. Therefore, a into bracket a square plus a plus 1 bracket completed plus 5. Now multiply this. Therefore, a into a square plus sign as it is. Now a into a this plus sign as it is. Next a into 1, this plus 5 as it is, we have to write it. Therefore a into a square, it is a cube, plus a into a, it is a square, plus a plus 5. Now we got the expression. What is that? A cube plus a square plus a plus 5. First is what? First one, a is equal to 0. Now substitute this value of a in this expression. Therefore 0 cube plus 0 square plus 0 plus 5. Therefore 0 cube is always 0 plus 0 square is always 0 plus 0 plus 5. Now 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 5 is 5. Therefore the answer is 5. If a is equal to 0, then the answer, what answer we got here? 5. Now next, if a is equal to 1, substitute this value in this expression. Means 1 cube plus 1 square plus 1 plus 5. Therefore 1 cube is 1 plus 1 square is 1 plus 1 ones are 1. Means here 1 as it is plus 5. Now add this all. 5 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 1, 8. Therefore, what is the answer? It is 8. When it is 8, if a is equal to 1. Next, third one, a is equal to minus 1. Now we have to substitute a is equal to minus 1. Here second one, this one is second one. Second one, a is equal to 1. Now substitute this value in this expression. Means minus 1 cube plus minus 1 square plus minus 1 plus 5. Now what is the meaning of this? Minus 1 cube means we have to multiply minus 1 3 times. Means minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. We know that minus into minus always plus. But here minus. Now plus into minus, minus. Therefore the answer is what? Minus. 1 cube is what? 1. Therefore the answer is here. What answer will get here? 1. Plus. Now minus 1 square means minus 1 we have to multiply 2 times. Minus 1 into minus 1. Now minus into minus plus. 1 ones are 1. Therefore the answer here, what we got here answer? 1. Now plus into minus, minus 1 plus 5. Now add this one. Plus 5 plus 1, it is plus 6. Now minus minus always we have to do plus. But we have to write minus sign. Minus 1, it becomes minus 2. 6 minus 2, the answer is 4. Exercise 6.3, fifth main, A. Add P into bracket P minus Q bracket completed, comma Q into bracket Q minus R bracket completed, and R into bracket R minus P bracket completed. Therefore, I'll write, because we have to perform addition, P into bracket P minus Q plus Q into bracket Q minus R plus R into bracket R minus P. Now we know that this P we have to multiply to this whole bracket. Therefore, P into P. Now this minus sign as it is. Now this P we have to multiply to this Q. P into Q. This plus sign. Now this Q we have to multiply to Q minus R. Q into Q. This minus sign as it is. Now this Q into R. Q into R plus sign. R into R. This minus sign. Now this R into P. P. Now multiply this. Therefore, P into P, P square, minus sign P into Q, PQ, plus Q into Q, Q square, minus QR as it is, plus R into R, R square, minus R into P, RP. So this is the answer. Fifth one, B. Add 2x into bracket z minus x minus y and 2y into bracket z minus y minus x. Very easy. Therefore, 2x into bracket z minus x minus y, bracket completed, because we have to perform here addition, therefore plus sign. Next expression is 2y into bracket z minus y minus x. Next, what we have to do? We have to multiply this 2x to this whole bracket. Therefore, 2x into z. Now this minus sign as it is. Next, this 2x we have to multiply to this x. 2x into x. Now this minus sign as it is. Now this 2x to this y. 2x into y. This part completed. Now this plus. Now 2y we have to multiply to this whole bracket. 2y into z minus 2y into y minus 2y into x. Therefore, multiply this. 2x into z, 2xz minus 2x into x, it is 2x square. This minus sign, 2xy plus 2y into z, 2yz minus 2y into y, 2y square minus 2yx. Now here we have to see that further calculation is possible or what. See, addition or subtraction is possible only and only with the like terms. You cannot add or subtract unlike terms. So here two like terms are what? Minus 2xy and minus 2xy, correct? See, xy or yx, it is similar because we know that a into b is equal to b into a. Yes. So, what is that? Minus minus always we have to do plus. But we have to write here minus sign. First I'll write minus, therefore minus 2 plus 2, 4 xy. Now next we have to write remaining terms plus 2xz minus 2x square plus 2yz minus 2y square. This is the answer. Exercise 6.3, fifth main. C. Subtract 3l into bracket l minus 4m plus 5n from 4l into bracket 10n minus 3m plus 2l. Means we have to subtract this first expression from second expression. So first we'll write this second expression is equal to 4l into bracket 10n minus 3m plus 2l, bracket completed. Because we have to perform here subtraction. So minus 3l into bracket l minus 4m plus 5n as it is. It is very simple. See, if I'll ask you subtract 7 from 10, means you will write this 10 first. 10 minus 7. Similarly we did here. We have to subtract this first expression from second expression. That's why we have written this second expression first. Minus, because we have to perform here subtraction. Then first expression. Got it? Now we have to simplify this one. Is equal to, now this 4l we have to multiply to this whole bracket. 4l into 10n. Next, minus sign as it is. 4l into 3m Now this plus sign as it is. 4L into 2L. Now this minus sign, because minus into plus minus. 3L into L minus into minus, it become plus. 3L into 4M. Now this minus into plus, it is minus. 3L into 5N. Now we have to simplify. Is equal to 4 tens are 40. L into N, Ln, minus 4 threes are 12. L into M, Lm, plus 4 twos are 8. L into L, L square. Now this minus sign as it is, we have to write here minus 3. L into L, L square, plus 3 fours are 12. L into M, Lm, minus 3 fives are 15. Ln. Now next what we'll do? We'll write all like terms one side and unlike term one side. Is equal to 440 Ln. Again, where is Ln term? It is here. Minus 15 Ln. Next, minus 12 Lm plus 12 Lm plus 8L square minus 3L square. Correct? Now see here. Minus 12 Lm plus 12 Lm get cancelled. Is equal to, both are like terms, so we can perform subtraction here. 40 Ln minus 15 Ln means 40 minus 15, it is 25. Ln as it is. Plus minus minus, but greater number is positive. So plus 8 minus 3, 5 L square. This is the answer. Exercise 6.3. Fifth one, D. Subtract 3a into bracket a plus b plus c, bracket completed, minus 2b into bracket a minus b plus c from 4c minus a plus b plus c. Before that, first what we'll do, we'll simplify this expression. Means 3a into a, it is 3a square, plus sign. Now 3a into b, it is 3ab, this plus sign. 3a into c means 3ac. Yes. Similarly, this minus 2b, we have to multiply to this bracket. Means minus 2ab. Now minus into minus, it becomes plus. 2b into b, b square. Now minus into plus, it is minus 2bc. Now we have to subtract this expression from 4c minus a plus b plus c. So first we'll write this expression. Therefore 4c into bracket minus a plus b plus c, bracket completed. Because we are performing here subtraction, so minus. Now we'll write this first expression. 3a square minus plus 3ab plus 3ac minus 2ab plus 2b square minus 2bc, bracket completed. Now we have to simplify. Therefore 4c into a, now plus into minus minus, 4c into a, it is 4ac. Now 4c into b plus 4bc plus 4c into c, 4c square. Now we have to simplify, remove this bracket. Now minus into plus, it is minus 3a square. Now minus into plus, it is minus 3ab. Minus into plus, it is minus 3ac. Minus into minus, it is plus 2ab. Minus into plus, it is minus 2b square. Now minus into minus, it is plus 2BC. Next, we'll write all like terms one side. Therefore, minus 4AC. Another AC term is, it is here. Minus 3AC. Next, plus 4BC. One more BC term is here. Plus 2BC. Next, minus 3AB plus 2AB. Next, what we have to write? Minus 3A square plus 4C square minus 2B square. So, these both are like terms. So, we can perform here addition or subtraction. Here like terms, these two are like terms. So, minus minus always plus, but we have to write minus sign. So, minus 4 plus 3 it is 7 AC plus 4 plus 2 it is 6 BC. Now, plus minus always minus, but we have to write greater number sign. Here greater number is negative. So, minus 3 minus 2 it is 1 means AB minus 3A square plus 4C square minus 2B square. This is the answer. We have completed exercise 6.3. So solve this exercise neatly in your classwork.